back, children. Welcome to your GK class. Today I'm going to explain Going to Space, that is your chapter 16. So children, here atmosphere is the air surrounding the earth. The outer space is outside the earth's atmosphere. So what do you understand by atmosphere, children? Atmosphere, the mixture of gases that surrounded the earth or any other star, planet, etc., that is called atmosphere. Okay, so here is the exercise. Match the pictures of astronauts with their descriptions. Put the correct letter in the box. So number 1 is, she was the second lady of Indian origin to go to space for 194 days. Who was she? She was Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams was the second lady of Indian origin to go to space for 194 days. After that, B is, she was the first Indian lady to go into space. Who was the first lady? Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian lady to go into space. Kalpana, Kalpana, Chawla, Chawla, Kalpana Chawla. Like this, Sunita Williams, Sunita, Sunita, Williams, Sunita Williams. Now, C1, this squadron leader became the first Indian to go to space. Who was he? He was Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh, Rakesh, Sharma. Sharma. Rakesh Sharma was the leader, became the first Indian to go to space. Now D1, this American astronaut became the first person to set foot on the moon in 1969. Neil Armstrong. It's Neil Armstrong. D1. Neil, Neil. Arm, Strong, strong. Neil Armstrong. E1 is the Russian cosmonaut. Became the first man to travel into space in 1961. Cosmonaut is also astronaut. So, who was he? Russian cosmonaut. He was Yuri Gagarin. Yuri, Yuri, Gagarin, Yuri Gagarin. So, this was they all are astronauts. Here is the important point, children. A space traveler in Russia is called a cosmonaut. And whom do we call an astronaut? An astronaut or cosmonaut is a person trained by a human space flight program to command, pilot, or serve as a crew member of a spacecraft. Thank you, children, and we will continue in the next class. Have a nice day.